Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we're sneaker review and unboxing the Nike SB Vertebrae. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any other latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. Also, greatly drop some love in the comment section below. Try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. As when it's time and opportunity to thank subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Nike SB Vertebrae. We got this in the Summit White Persian Violet color and a UK size 8, it's European 42.5, and it's US 9. Boxing. There they are. Pretty different to a lot of the SB sneakers. I mean, they're quite slim. That's the first impression that I've got after opening the box. It looks like a running trainer to me, but this was designed for skating. So we'll start with the outsole, and this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You can see it's traction patterning all around. It's kind of like a honeycomb, or when you cut the inside of a bone. So you get the nice swoosh. The midsole is a foam midsole all around. And the upper, you can see this unique design, well, which the sneaker takes the name from actually, because it is meant to be shaped and it's designed around the vertebrae of the human, so the back of your spine. And you can see all that grooves right there. Got hits of suede on the toe box. See it right there with perforation. There's a mesh underneath for breathability. Around the sides, here at the lateral side, the Nike swoosh. All textile materials. Then you've got this hip suede paneling at the back. Around the rear. Nice cushioning on the ankle support, kind of thick tongue right there, very spongy. With the Nike SB logo. Lacing, it's like quick lacing, reminds me of the Air Max 95. And there's, look at the heel right there, you've got the Nike SB logo. Insole, foam insole with the Nike SB logo. I wouldn't say it looks like the most comfortable, but you've got all this traction here, so you've got a lot of grip, obviously from the grip tape on the skateboard, but you can do loads of tricks. I mean, I'm not that great at skateboarding, I can barely ride one, to be fair, if I'm being honest. But I can see, the benefits of having all the rubber right to the tip, right there for you. And with it being very lightweight, I mean, this weighs 866 grams. That rounds off my review on the sneaker. Very lightweight, durable. Let's try these on. When it comes to fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. These are half size bigger than what I typically wear. This is UK size 8.
I usually am a UK size 7.5 when it comes to Nike. There's a bit of space at the front. However, if I did get my true to size, it will feel really tight. But I feel like if you don't want your shoes to come off whilst you're skating, probably not a bad thing. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.